morning. It's Tuesday, on our way to Grand Cayman, about 4 hours away. As you can see, there's nobody out. People coming out later and later, except for me, of course. Nobody out there. And it's like 7:40. So I'll let you know when we get into Grand Cayman. Welcome to Grand Cayman. We will be tendering in, of course. 7 Mile Beach is way over there a little bit. Goes all the way down.
It's a beautiful morning. Listen for the announcements, and once you hear your number called, you can then head on down. Make sure you have your CPAS card out and ready when getting on to the tenders. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for your cooperation. It does go very...
Find a different table.
Victor, Fabi's people sorry. Quick question. I have some sweet guests here to be escorted. How are we doing with the table?
Well, I've seen
Missed it the first time. Okay, one thing about Grand Cayman, you have to take the water shuttle. They do hold quite a few people. Takes a little while to load them, and takes a little bit while to unload them, because they only have one ramp for each shuttle. This is the center section. This is where you're going to come into. This is where they're going to meet you for your shore excursions. There's quite a few shops in here. Your straw market's on the opposite side. And then you're going to make your way out the gates to the main road where all the regular shops are at and the bars. Now there are many liquor stores here, but if you purchase liquor, you cannot bring it back to the ship. They will have it delivered to the ship and then you'll get it at the end of your cruise. You never get to see it until the end. This is the main road. They do drive on the left side of the road. Or should I say the wrong side? We drive on the right side. And then it runs all the way down to 7 Mile Beach. This is where your bars and all your shops are located. And it's a little industrial as well. Get off the ship, you're gonna walk down here, and this is where a lot of your shuttles pick you up for your excursions. We're gonna try to make our way to that bar and get a drink. People probably think that's all we do, but we don't. This is where you're really starting to get into your shopping. You got a Hard Rock Cafe. This guy's seen better days. It almost looks like lava. Alright, so we were going to get a drink here, but don't think so. I guess it's seen better days, like the crab. But it used to be a good view if you just wanted a beer or something, but not anymore. Looks like they have closed her up. Okay, I don't care who you are, this is actually pretty funny. And what is Grand Cayman known for? Rum cake. I'll show you a place you can get a free sample in just a second. It's not here. This is just a little shopping area off the main street. It goes way back there where there's more shopping. Now this store here, Pirates Grotto, looks like it's closed. You have to go down in the basement to shop there. But I'm not sure if they're still open. Alright, since Paradise was closed, we're going to try Sharky's. Okay, when you come to Grand Cayman, everything's expensive. But let me just show you the beer. Say you want a Michelob Ultra, which says $5.95. That is in Cayman dollars. It is actually almost $9 for a 12-ounce beer. But they have a special. If you get Bud Light, a bucket of 4 is only $21. You do the math. This is your view from the second story of Sharky's. This is off the main street, like I showed you earlier. But quite a few of the shops aren't open. No, we're betting 1,000. The rum stop is closed.
It must not open for one boat.
Yeah, this is where you could actually taste all the rum cake, and not anymore. I don't know if they're just closed for the day or closed up for good. Oh well, sorry I couldn't bring you that. This is the west side of the port. That's about as far as we're gonna go. Seems like everything's closed up. Anyway, so there's the liquor store. We just came out of that. Yes, and their prices were really not any different than buying them at home in the United States. So, kind of vacant here now. We're gonna head back to the ship. Hope you enjoyed Grand Cayman. Oh, and by the way, Jimmy Buffett's is no longer by the port here. They moved way down by 7 Mile Beach. My wife will be sad. Thing about the food in the buffet every day at lunch, it's pretty much the same. For example, today you have your curry, your chicken paella, chicken breast, Irish lamb stew. Now that's new. Blackened fish with lemon butter sauce. And that's what I think I'm coming back after. So I ended up with the mashed potatoes, the fish, which looks absolutely yummy, lamb, and chicken. And some lemon pound cake. You know, lemon pound cake's supposed to be healthy. Grand Cayman is owned by the British, so down comes the British flag. Alright. So long. Din din time. It's got no appetizer. I got tomato soup. I got appetizer, Caesar salad. Max got the spaghetti bolognese for the 4th night in a row. And I got the lamb chops. Max got cheesecake. And I got cheesecake.
3, turn face in the bar, and then you're going to do exactly the same thing. You ready? 2, 3, and clap. 1, 2, 3, and clap. Come back.
I don't care what you say, it's funny. You can't hear the music, only they can hear it.
What? It's all right. We'll do like a big U. How about that? We'll do like a big U.
Ha, very good. Then we're gonna pull it back like this. Who, and then ah. Okay, so one more time. Who, ha, who, ha. Okay, Team Hustle, do it for me. Left, right, back. Let's see if Team Amazing can do it better. Okay, left, right, back, forward. Okay, so far, Team Awesome is winning. Okay, let's try one more time. Team Awesome, left, right.
Right there, that's him right there. All right, Jesse's warming our water up to room temperature. No, he really is. It's room temperature. We don't want him cold. All right, we've had to walk around that all week.